Whoa, is that an Accord in Wakanda? What's up, guys? So just got in, and this is normally where Panther would be sitting, bro. It's not here right now. It's getting some stuff done. Yo, I'm gonna flip the other camera so you guys can see this. This is really cool. Oh yeah, FF8Customs is where I'm at, guys. You guys gotta check them out. But man, he got the Killmonger mask. Dude, I've never seen that in person. That's awesome. Oh wow, I didn't even see that. Really cool. Goodness, I like the whole design of this car, man. Everything is cool, and you got the comics and stuff. Holler at them, guys. We are going to see what is getting done to the Accord. Yeah, those are nice. I didn't know Black Panther had a chick or something. I meant female character, guys, like a female version of him. Don't roast me in the chat, please. I don't know what that is. You guys heavy in the comments will probably let me know in the comment section. Guys, check them out. I've been following them for a while, and the thing is, they're doing this for the Accord for free. Like, bro, I didn't ask for this to happen. He just did that because I was supporting him, won the giveaway. So, guys, check them out. Follow them on Instagram. If you're in Atlanta, Georgia, or you just in Georgia, dude, check them out. I'm not going to reveal everything, but dude, this is nice. Real nice. So guys, I just got done talking to Jay over there. Dude, join the Broke Boys culture. Yo, I really appreciate this from him, man. I don't even know what to say, bro. Like, I'm lost for words, dude. Guys, whoa, is that an Accord in Wakanda?
I'm glad.
I don't care.
What? What is getting done to the Accord? If you guys saw my Instagram story, you probably already know, but I think a lot of my subscribers actually don't follow me on Instagram. So if you don't, that's cool. Check me out on Instagram. Obviously, this video will be out after my Instagram post. So which generation of Black Panther was that again?
This was version number 3.
Version number 3. Wow, okay. And what version is on now?
Number 7.
7, all right. So guys, this is Jay. Actually, he's the owner of FF8Customs and Black Panther Camaro.
Yes, sir. So what we do here, we do underglow, as you can see. We Wall official. My biggest supporter of mine, I appreciate it. So we brought him in for underglow. Also, we do body kits, we do partial wraps, full wraps, racing stripes, large decals. So hit us up if you need anything.
Yeah, hit them up, guys. Definitely hit them up. They do good work. And guys, look at the freaking neons, yo. You can switch it. So, oh man, how do you change the mode again? Wow, look at this, guys. That is WoahAccord for real. This thing, wow. And he even got us a kill switch. Got me a kill switch on the inside, so if I wanted to shut it off, I just flip the switch and that would shut all the power off to there, so I don't even have to worry about it draining my battery. The way he hooked it up, guys, is really good. Like, shoot. Now I'm ready for some nighttime car meets again. Wow, okay. Thanks a lot, Jay. I really appreciate this. Guys, this thing has a whole bunch of features. It's crazy. I didn't even know Underglow could have some of these features that he has. It has different modes. I'm not going to show you guys all the modes, but unless if you wanted me to, I'd make a video showing you guys that and which one I have. Or I might not do that, but this thing is, I love it, man. Super satisfied with this. Like the gray with the red. Oh, man.